Hello, welcome to my channel. Choosing the best baby shoes can make a huge difference in your little one's early steps, balance, and confidence. Today, we're exploring the top baby shoe options that parents love for their comfort, flexibility, and foot-friendly design. Stay with us as we break down the best picks that combine safety, durability, and adorable looks. Your baby's perfect pair might be just moments away.
Product number 1. H-Style Baby Sock Shoes. Toddler non-slip slippers, infant walking shoes, soft rubber sole sneakers for baby boys, girls. The H-Style Sock Style shoes are an ultra-low profile option designed to resemble soft slipper socks with a non-slip rubber sole. They emphasize a snug fit, flexible upper, and minimal bulk, making them a practical first step option for indoor use and transitional outdoor wear on smooth surfaces. The construction leans towards simplicity: soft fabric upper, basic elastic or knit closure, and a lightweight sole that prioritizes flexibility over rigid structure. General assessment indicates strong indoor usability and low risk of tripping due to a slim silhouette.
Product number 2. Rite 360 Baby Taille 2.0 Sneakers. The Rite 360 Taille 2.0 is the premium end of the lineup, featuring a modern color block upper, dual fit insole options, and a stabilizing rounded edge design. It emphasizes foot development with extra wide sizing, soft foam footbeds, and oversized openings to accommodate growing feet and easy wiggle room during diaper changes. The emphasis is on long-term wearability, stability, and a polished aesthetic suitable for casual outings and early school days. Performance-wise, the Taille 2.0 is designed to cradle the natural shape of the foot while delivering robust support for first steps and early walking. The rounded edge design and foam footbeds contribute to comfort during longer wear. Product number 3. Toy Baby Shoes. Toy combines a sock-like upper with a non-slip, breathable slipper style and a soft rubber sole. The emphasis is on breathability and ease of wear, making it suitable for warm climates or indoor play where moisture management and comfort are priorities. The product often includes integrated socks or sock-like liners, creating a snug fit that remains easy to slip on. Performance-wise, Toy's design provides good indoor traction and a comfortable feel for first walker sessions. The breathable upper helps with moisture control, reducing overheating during active play. However, compared to Rite's structured support, Toy may offer less arch support and lateral stability, which could affect balance on uneven surfaces or during longer outings. Product number 4. Baby Sock Shoes. Baby walking shoes, infant non-slip, breathable slippers with soft rubber sole, baby boys, girls sneakers. Barebay's offering positions itself as a soft, sock-inspired walking shoe with a non-slip rubber sole and breathable construction. The emphasis is on ease of wear, cost-effectiveness, and indoor practicality, with a design that mimics a baby sock while adding a protective sole. Performance-wise, Barebay's design provides a comfortable fit for first steps and light indoor activity. The breathable upper helps with moisture control. Product number 5. Feet City. Baby boys, girls first walking shoes, infant sneakers, crib shoes, breathable, lightweight, slip-on shoes. Feet City offers breathable, lightweight slip-on sneakers aimed at early walkers. The emphasis is on ease of use, minimal weight, and basic protection for tiny feet during indoor exploration and supervised outdoor wear. The model prioritizes simplicity and value, making it appealing for families seeking an affordable daily option. Performance-wise, Feet City's lightweight construction supports flexible foot motion and quick transitions between activities. However, the lack of a known price makes it harder to gauge value.
Durability and sizing consistency may vary by badge. For hot climates or homes with mostly smooth floors,